Okay students, now we start our next topic, that is Abbasid Revolution. Abbasid Revolution is the revolution through which Umayyad dynasty came to an end and a new dynasty came to the power, that is the Abbasids. Okay, now we discuss what happened, how the Umayyad came to an end and what were the reasons due to which the Abbasid came to the power. Abbasid started a well organized movement called Dawa. What is Dawa? Well organized movement started by the Abbasid. Okay, what they said according to this movement, they said that the rule of the Umayyad dynasty was the evil one, means not good, not according to the Islamic rules and regulation. That's why it has to come to an end. And if you throw the power Umayyad from the power and give us the power to rule, then we establish a government purely based on the Islamic principle. Establish Islamic principle based government. This is said in Dawa. Okay, Dawa was a well organized movement in which Abbasid said Umayyad to be the evil rule and had promised that they establish a government based on the purely Islamic principle. Now the movement started. The Dawa movement started at the region called Khurasan. Now where is Khurasan? See, this is the region of Khurasan. This is India. Okay. After India, Pakistan region, then this Khurasan region, the region of Afghanistan. इधर Afghanistan, ये Khurasan जहाँ पर है ना, this is the place Khurasan. And this whole region is known as the Turan. Okay. Here is Samarkand. Samarkand कौन सी जगह? It is the place from where the Babur came to India. You know ना, Babur came from Fargana. Fargana is a small place in Samarkand. Okay, so Babur came into India from here. Now come back to this topic, Khurasan. The movement organized by the Abbasid, that is the Dawa movement, started at Khurasan. Now, why the movement started at Khurasan? What were the reasons? For that we have to look at the population. Which type of a population was there in Khurasan? Khurasan consists of mainly two types of the population. One is the Iranians. This region of Khurasan consists of the Iranian population as well as the Arabian population. This Islamic land. All this is Arabian Peninsula. Arabian population also there. Arabian. Okay? Or the Arabs. You can also say them Arabs. Okay? Among the Arab population, Arab people were of two types. Some were soldiers, while others were simple civilians. But the population of Khurasan were not satisfied with the Umayyad rule. Now, reason why they were not satisfied. Arabs were not satisfied. Arab soldiers, they were discriminated against that of in the army of the Umayyad. There were soldiers, Arab soldiers as well as the Syrian soldiers. Okay, these Syrian soldiers dominate in the army and don't give so much importance to the Arab soldier. That's why the Arab soldiers in Khurasan were unhappy with the Umayyad rule. Okay. Now civilians were also unhappy by the Umayyad. Why? Because when Umayyad came to the power, they promised many things and They also promised to give many type of the concession when they come, once they came to the power. But after coming to the power, they haven't give any concession which they promised earlier. That's why the civilian population of Arab were unhappy with the Umayyad rule. Now come to the Iranians. Iranians were also not satisfied by the Umayyad, because I said that both these populations were there. These Arabs discriminate the Iranians, means Arab themselves consider themselves to be the superior from that of the Iranians, and call Iranian to be the Mawalis. Mawalis is the term used for the non-Arab people by the Arabs. Arabs call the non-Arab people to be the Mawalis. Okay. So that's why Iranians were also unhappy. So all these constituent population of the Khurasan were unhappy with the Umayyad rule. That was the reason why the Dawa movement was started, the uprising started at Khurasan. Okay. Now, once the movement was started, one more thing. Now, this was the reason of the dissatisfaction. Now, come to the Abbasid. Now, who are these Abbasid? Abbasid claim themselves, because they belong to Makkah. From where they belong? Makkah. Okay, and they claim themselves to be the descendant of the Abbas. Who was Abbas? Abbas was the uncle of Prophet Muhammad. Uncle of Muhammad. That's why these Abbasid claim themselves to be the real legitimate ruler from the side of the Prophet. That's why now they are claiming for the power and said the Umayyads to be the evil rulers. Okay. One more thing beta, as you know, before the coming of the Umayyad, Abbasid से पहले कौन थे? Umayyad. And Umayyad से पहले Caliphate थे. During the time of the Caliphate, there was no dynastic rule. Means if the father is the Caliph, the case was not so that the father made his son to be the next Caliph. The dynastic rule was not there. But once Umayyad came to the power, then the dynastic rule started. That's why we gave the name, we named it as a Umayyad dynasty. Because after father, then son became the ruler, then his son became the ruler. Regarding this thing, Abbasis said that we also end this kingship, that is the monarchy system, which was the wrong system against the Islamic law. In Islam, there is no such system that after the father, his son became the next king. Islam, according to the Islamic rule, the ablest will become the next ruler. Okay, not depend on the hierarchy, family hierarchy. That's why Abbasid claimed that we are from the family of the, we are the descendant of Abbas, who was the uncle of Prophet Muhammad. That's why we are the legitimate ruler, and that's why we are here struggling to end the monarchical rule. And finally, the battle took place. The battle took place between, I will explain here. Finally, battle took place between the last Umayyad ruler, that is Marwan. This can also be asked for a 1 mark. Who was the last Umayyad ruler? So that was the Marwan. And Abu Muslim. Abu Muslim, who is Abu Muslim? He is the Abbas. He belonged to Abbasid family. So the battle took place between two. That is Marwan, who belonged to the Umayyad, and the Abu Muslim, who belonged to the Abbasid. And finally, Abu Muslim won the battle, and in this way, Umayyad dynasty came to the end, and Abbasid came to the power. Once Abbasid came to the power, they promised before that we end the monarchical rule, but the circumstances, administrative circumstances made them to continue with the same type of the political system. Same type of the political system which was there, which was there during the time of the Umayyad, like that of the court rituals which they practiced, or the bureaucratic system. That's why the Abbasid continue with the same. Okay, but the changes took place in the social structure under them, means the social structure of the Islamic land, and as well as the political structure. Thank you.